There we go. Once it starts to open up again now, I'd say it's going to be a hot spot. Seems to be up and coming now. It's almost like an Asian district. So I've seen a few Korean and Chinese and Thai food places there. So Ireland doesn't have a dedicated Chinatown. We tried years ago to dedicate up by Parnell Square, but I think that just fell on deaf ears. But it'd be nice. Be nice to see. Excuse me, sir. You got time for our Lord Jesus, Savior Jesus? Never mind, you're gone. Alright. Anyway. Oh, I'm not sure if I told you this, but I went to see the Book of Mormons with my friends in the Dublin Broadcast Theatre. I know, I've gone to the theatre, it's amazing. If you don't get offended and you're not a Mormon, it's highly recommended. It is hilarious. If you are a Mormon and you highly get offended, do not go see it. Sorry, I still can't talk in front of people even though I have a mask on me. So yeah, we're coming up to where they're having car parked. And it's just outside a hostel for the homeless actually. And I've seen a few people go to it now. I don't know if they're getting turned away, but it's a very sad situation. Like, they have on record 10,000 people who are homeless in Ireland. Now, that number mightn't seem too high, but you got to remember that Ireland has a population of 4.56 million. I could be wrong since the last census, but we're a small country. We shouldn't have this, you know. And it's very sad to see, especially when you look around and you see all these houses just being built left, right and centre, apartment blocks and all. And what they're supposed to do is the developers are supposed to dedicate 10% of that to affordable housing, but they're not. They're finding a loophole, you know. And I wouldn't mind if my tax money went to finance a house for someone who needs it. Like, I live with my parents. I don't need a house. I'm fine. You know? So the money should be going instead of into the pockets of the rich. Into the pockets of the people who need it. It's not want, it's need. Right. So that street there brings you up to St. Patrick's Cathedral. Yes, it will be on one of my tours. I'm not doing indoor tours for, you know, the reason. PCR test, Thailand. Been planning it for 2 years. I can afford 2 weeks of not doing anything. Let's try not get killed. So yeah, I hope you like these tours. Don't know how the camera's going to pick that up. But yeah, Sunday free parking here if you want. And then that's the forecourts back there as well. There is a Lewis stop behind that, the forecourts. So it is accessible by the Red Line Lewis. So that's my weekend. I'm going to go home, start editing these and uploading them throughout the week. Trying to get ahead so I don't have to worry about the channel. Oh, if you don't hear me replying on most things, it could be because I'm busy over there, because I'm working and doing photo shoots and doing walking tours, and it's a lot of stuff to be doing. Oh, and enjoying myself. I forgot about that part. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, blah blah blah, you know yourself. Turn this channel into a billionaire. I mean, for the good of the channel, yeah, for the good of the channel. Anyway, have a good day.